this is the 2021 Sony WH-1000XM4 model headphones. These are the headphones that go over your ear, not the ones that go, not earbuds, not nothing. They're just proper headphones. So let's open it up. But before we do that, you can see with the phone, with the box, these headphones are compatible with iPhone, iPod, and Android. As you can see up here, it tells you all you need to know. But pretty much with this logo right here, it pretty much indicates that it's compatible with any device that uses Bluetooth. So, and on the back of the box, you can see right here all the stuff you need to know, what's required, what it's capable of, basically all the specs. It's pretty good, and you know, all the options you got with these. So without further ado, let's open it up. Boom. Now it's just a box, so let's try and open. There we go. Box right here. Okay. Let's see what we're working with. Seems like right here, headphones right here. We got the instruction manuals and stuff, and blah 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 whatnot. Okay. That's what you get in it. That's much. Okay. There we go. Yep. Limited warranty, 1 year, US account. We'll deal with this later. Let's just, here we go. Here's the device itself. This is what we're here for. Comes in this nice packaging right here, oval shaped. I like it. Got a little pocket area you can hold your stuff in if you ever need. It's dope. Okay, here we go. If I can get it. There we go. It's nice rose gold brass looking zipper right here. That's all I'm gonna say. Now let's open that thing up. See what's inside. Good, nice, compact. Looks like it has everything we need inside of it. Headphones, charger, whatnot. This to make it compatible with just the phone if you got a headphone jack. There you go. I'm guessing this is to plug it in. This is what you would use. And here's the charging cable. Nice, sleek. Pretty sure that's it. And then now, just the headphones. Here they are. Open it up. Left, right. Looks nice, looks sleek, looks good. Yeah,